Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to backup your Bean app data and also how to restore it from backup. To do it, go to Profile in the app, then find Backup. And now, first save the backup to file, and I'll show you how to load backup from file, so you'll know how to do it later. And I'm using an iPhone here, so it may look a little bit different, but it should technically be quite similar. So let's click on Save Backup first, and first you need to click on Move Backup to Folder. Right, so let's select the place to save it. Right, I'll just save it on my iPhone, just here, without any folders. Now it is here, and if you want to send it to a new device, then you'll need to go to your Files app. It's also Files on Android. Let's go to the place where I've saved it. I've saved it on my iPhone. Now I can press and hold on that and click on Share. Then if I click on Share, I can select where to share it, and I can send it to my new device, for example, right? And then on that new device, you can go to the Bean app and load backup from file, also in Profile. Now select the file. Also you'll need to go to that location where it's saved. It's saved on my iPhone, so let's click on here and click on Restore Backup Data. And now it is loaded, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.